privacy law situation in India is evolving one. I would say that the first step was taken really by IT Act of India, where they have categorized certain types of data as the sensitive data, and they asked all the entities to be, really sensitive about that part of data. But where it lacked teeth was how the effective implementation of that kind of framework was not really given out there. The second step was taken by UIDAI last year, where they started implementing certain additional controls out there around the data protection, around specifically the Aadhaar numbers. But what has been missing is a data protection authority in the country that would be a central nodal agency for any kind of data breaches happening in India. Because before you can actually implement any medicine, you have to understand the extent of the problem. And in India, there has been no requirement for anyone to notify any kind of agency if they have come across any kind of data breaches. So with the new proposed Data Privacy Act, it is proposed that there would be a central data protection agency which would be required to be notified in case of any kind of mandatory breaches. So it is hoped that as this draft gets into a bill, it actually nudges the entire ecosystem to a better data governance going forward. Well, there are three kind of breaches that I categorize into. The first one is the denial of service. Denial of service is typically relevant for businesses, not so much relevant for consumers, because it is related to a business losing the monetization of their service. If, let's say, IRCTC website goes down, for an example, they will probably end up losing a bit of revenue out there. From the other angle, because a particular service is getting relied upon by consumer, then the consumer confidence in that service gets shaken. So in that sense, it also impacts the consumer. Say, for example, a consumer is relying upon the availability of 24/7 service from a banking, and they have to meet a deadline to make a payment, and if they go and at that point in time the service is not working, then that can be very detrimental to an individual also. So that's the first category of breaches that impact, I would say, both the businesses as well as the consumer. The second one is the breach of privacy, meaning that a particular data is lost, or someone who shouldn't be authorized to see a particular type of data is now privy of that data. How that ends up getting utilized is something that would probably become clearer after a while, but it can be a probable cause of concern. One of the examples out there might be that if people start connecting the dots between your name, your address, your date of birth, and so on and so forth, various pieces about your identity, then they can start using that against you in different ways. And the third one, which is probably not discussed so much, is the breach of integrity, data integrity, which means that someone has now modified the underlying data itself, and that data would be used for further decision making, business intelligence, etc. And because the underlying data is incorrect, it would yield to the wrong output results at the decision level. A website by the name of breachlevelindex.com that tracks all the publicly reported breaches. As per that, within the last 5 years, roughly 10 billion records have been lost. These are the records which are publicly known to be lost. And we all know that not every breach is reported out there. So this is just a fraction of what is publicly known. What we have been seeing over the past few years is that the number of records getting lost is increasing. The number one concern for them is as they move their data and business processes to take the benefits of cloud efficiency, how do they have a auditable way to ensure that their data is all protected against unauthorized access? Put it in a layman language, if I have some data which is residing on cloud service, how do I make sure that once I have deleted it from that cloud directory, all the other copies are deleted? Or if I have left it out there, no one else which is managing that resource or hard disk storage space or the underlying system at the cloud service provider has the access to that particular data. Those are the number one concerns that enterprises have when they start using their data and critical services on the cloud. We have a three-step secure the breach framework under which we recommend our customers to encrypt their data. That way, whether that data is on premise or in their virtual cloud or in the public cloud, it doesn't really matter because it's all encrypted. By encrypting the data, they are able to ensure that no one who is not authorized to look at that data should be able to have any access to the underlying data.